Welcome to Vintero. Today, we are bringing you an exclusive look at the Toyota Crown Signia 2025, a car that truly redefines luxury and performance. From the very first glance, its elegance and sophistication are undeniable. Every curve, line, and detail has been meticulously designed to create a perfect balance between style, comfort, and technology. The front fascia grabs attention with a bold grille and sharp LED headlights that convey confidence and presence. Moving along the side, the aerodynamic lines and sleek contours give the impression of motion even when the car is standing still. The alloy wheels are designed to perfectly complement the overall look, while the rear showcases sleek taillights and a refined bumper design. The white color enhances its purity and elegance, making it perfect for both urban streets and grand entrances. The showroom lighting reflects off every surface, highlighting the flawless finish and the attention to detail that sets this model apart. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with an environment of comfort and luxury. The seats are covered in premium leather, offering both support and elegance. Ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, accentuating the interior's refined surfaces and contours. The steering wheel, center console, and controls are all designed for intuitive use, ensuring every function is within easy reach. The infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment, making every journey enjoyable. Rear passengers enjoy spacious legroom, reclining seats, and personalized climate control, ensuring comfort for everyone. Close-up views reveal the meticulous craftsmanship, from the stitching on the seats to the polished surfaces, reflecting Toyota's commitment to quality. Performance is at the heart of the Crown Signia 2025. Under the hood, advanced engine technology delivers smooth acceleration while maintaining fuel efficiency. The suspension system ensures a comfortable ride over any terrain, whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways. Safety is a top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, multiple airbags, and advanced driver assist systems. Every journey is not only comfortable but also secure, allowing drivers and passengers to relax and enjoy the ride. The driver-centric design ensures optimal visibility, control, and comfort, while smart features like keyless entry and push-button start add convenience. Technology integrates seamlessly with luxury, making every drive effortless and exhilarating. Every detail of the Toyota Crown Signia 2025 has been thoughtfully considered. The headlights and taillights are sleek and modern, reflecting a futuristic yet timeless design. Chrome accents and exterior trim elements add sophistication, while close-ups of wheels, mirrors, and body panels reveal the precision of design. The dashboard, infotainment display, and interior controls are not only functional but visually stunning, combining aesthetics with usability. Interior materials are soft to the touch, visually appealing, and built for longevity, enhancing the sense of premium quality throughout the cabin. The exterior design is both bold and elegant. From a low-angle perspective, the car exudes dominance and style, while top-down views reveal the flawless flow of lines and contours. Side profiles emphasize its aerodynamic efficiency, making it appear dynamic even when stationary. In showrooms, the ultra-realistic lighting highlights every curve, reflection, and detail, creating images perfect for thumbnails and promotional content. Interior shots capture the luxury experience, showcasing leather seats, ambient lighting, and sophisticated finishes. Every angle, whether close-up or wide shot, demonstrates a perfect harmony between design, technology, and comfort. Driving the Crown Signia 2025 is an experience of refinement. Steering is precise, acceleration is smooth, and the suspension adapts effortlessly to road conditions. The cabin remains quiet, allowing passengers to converse comfortably or enjoy entertainment without distraction. Advanced safety features work continuously to protect everyone inside, providing peace of mind alongside pleasure. The car combines performance and technology seamlessly, offering an experience that is as thrilling as it is comfortable. Every journey, whether short or long, feels carefully crafted for enjoyment. From the moment you enter to the moment you drive, the Toyota Crown Signia 2025 creates a sense of pride and satisfaction. The combination of ultra-realistic finishes, high-quality materials, advanced technology, and precise engineering makes it a true benchmark in its class. Showroom reflections and lighting enhance its presence, emphasizing both the exterior elegance and interior luxury. Close-up shots reveal the care taken in every stitch, trim, and control, reinforcing Toyota's commitment to excellence. The car stands as a symbol of sophistication, performance, and forward-thinking design. For enthusiasts and first-time viewers alike, the Crown Signia 2025 offers a blend of timeless design, modern technology, and luxurious comfort. Every curve and contour, every technological feature, and every comfort element has been carefully considered to create an unparalleled driving experience. Whether captured for thumbnails, full-length video, or promotional content, this car stands out with unmatched elegance. White exteriors, ultra-realistic 8K finishes, and carefully curated angles make each visual stunning and engaging. Interior close-ups emphasize luxury, while exterior perspectives highlight style.